Understanding horsing around in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the playful world of idiomatic expressions, focusing on horsing around. This phrase is commonly used in English to describe a certain type of behavior. Stick with us to learn not just what it means, but also how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Horsing around refers to engaging in playful, rowdy, or mischievous activities. It's often used to describe behavior that's not seriously harmful but is more about having fun, sometimes in a physical way. Imagine children chasing each other in the playground, or adults playfully wrestling or joking in a way that's loud or boisterous. That's horsing around. It's all about playful fun, without any intent of causing real trouble or harm. The phrase, horsing around, likely comes from the observation of how horses play. Horses often engage in playful behavior like running, jumping, and mock fighting with each other. This resemblance to playful, energetic activities among humans is where the phrase finds its roots. It's a vivid way to describe human playfulness through the lens of animal behavior. 1. In a sentence, the kids were just horsing around in the backyard, laughing and chasing each other. 2. At work. If someone is being too playful and not focusing on their tasks, a supervisor might say, "Okay, let's stop horsing around and get back to work." 3. In a friendly setting. When friends are playfully teasing each other, one might say, "We love to horse around when we get together." It's important to understand the context when using the phrase, horsing around. It's perfect for light-hearted, informal situations. However, in serious or formal settings, describing playful behavior as horsing around might not be appropriate. Knowing your audience and the context will guide you in using this phrase effectively. We hope this dive into the playful expression, horsing around, has been enlightening and fun. English is full of idiomatic expressions that color our conversations, and understanding them is key to mastering the language. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, keep having fun with language.